Jordan, say over there. Hello everyone, welcome to Kinder Mommy. I'm Jennifer and here's my little baby Jordan. Jordan, look here. Look here, say hi. Hi. Do hi. Yes. So today we're gonna learn how to dye chickpea. Yeah, he's also saying bye already. Okay, so we're going to learn how to dye a chickpea. Now, chickpeas are one of the best sensory plays that you can have. You can do with your kids. And the best part of playing with chickpeas, especially the colorful dyed ones, the colors are very vibrant and very appealing to your child. And the noise and the sound that chickpea makes, they are amazing, and kids love that. So we're gonna learn how to dye chickpea today, and I'm gonna zoom in to the table right here, and Jordan's table, and we're gonna start off now. Okay, one more thing, if you guys love my video, make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So let's go to the table right here, Jordan's table, and we're gonna start making chickpea. So I'm gonna share with you a few things that you need. You would need chickpeas. You can see these are really good amount of chickpeas. You would need look at him, he's already started playing. And you would need so I'm gonna make 3 colors. So I have 3 Ziploc bags right here. You would need a tray, okay, and you would need paints. So I have white, I have red, and I have green. So these are watercolors. These are acrylic watercolors which you can use for dyeing. And make sure you do not make this too liquidy or too wet. It needs to be a little dry. Okay, you can add in slight water but not too much. And now let's start up. Pour in 1 whole cup of, wait Jordan, we need this, wait. So we're gonna pour in 1 cup in this, and then second 1 more cup. So I have already measured it, and I'll just get this right here. So this is the measuring cup that I have. Wait Jordan, let's add 1 more. Okay, 1 fell down. It's okay. See, the second bag. Okay, so 2 bags are done. Let's move on to the 3rd bag. Okay, so 3rd bag is already again 1 cup. It's already measured, so I already know about that. Okay, now in all the 3 bags I need to pour in some paint. So in the first one I'm gonna pour in green color. You can see green color in the bag. And then here's this. In the second one I'm gonna pour in red. And in the 3rd one I'm gonna pour in white. Let's see. Now we are going to remove all the air. Okay, remove all the air right here. Okay, now we're gonna do the basic. Jory, can you shake? Yeah, you do red color. This is all that you would need to do. So if you feel like you need to add some more color, you can do that. Jordan, can you do this? Come. You want to put this one also? Yes. You can see how the colors have they are all mixing up. Continue shaking. Okay, as you can see, we are done. So now it's time for drying. So I'm gonna remove all of them one by one. So first, let's get the green color out. Okay, you can see.
Let's go. Right. Mommy.
You can see they look pretty. And last is white. So they look good, isn't it? So we're gonna keep this for drying, and once it's dried up, we're gonna play with it. Not now. Jordan is already ready to play with it, and we are like, no, not now. Okay, Jody. Okay, so we're done with this, and I hope you guys love this video. And if you do, go ahead and give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys. Bye. Jody, can you say bye? Jody, bye. Can you say bye? Yes, bye.